Road Report brought to you by the Summit Stage shows that everything is pretty slow going, and as of right now, Loveland Pass still closed due to adverse weather conditions. So if you are going to be traveling down the I-70 mountain corridor, you will have to take the tunnel, but do expect some closures and delays at the top of the hour as they allow for the bigger hazmat vehicles to go through. So that is your Road Report brought to you by the Summit Stage. And since we are talking about cars, I think it's only appropriate that we have Heidi in the studio from the Ford Motor Company. And you were able to brave it over here, but somebody else got stuck, so you were able to have to swing in and save the day.
Yeah, absolutely. Last minute. I'm glad I made it, though, on this very, very snowy morning.
Yes, exactly. And you have a very busy week because the auto show is going on down in Denver, and I know it's a very big time for Ford because the new Ford Focus is all the buzz these days.
That's right. We have the Ford Focus that you can see at the Denver Auto Show this week, and the Focus is a great vehicle. I actually had the opportunity to drive it up here from Denver yesterday.
Oh, nice. So you tested it in all different kinds of conditions, I'm sure.
Absolutely, yeah. And yesterday was a little nicer day than today, luckily, yeah. But it was a nice drive up.
Nice. So we're taking a look at a little bit of B-roll that we were able to get of the new Ford Focus. And so when is this actually going to be available?
It is available later this year. Okay. But you can go to FordVehicles.com and get all the information as far as what colors it comes in, what features are available, and you can also talk to your local dealer and pretty much get your order in. So when it's available, I think there'll be a hot item on the lots this year.
I think there's been lots of buzz. You know, the Ford Focus, it's been around for a couple of years, but just taking a look at those clips, a little bit sleeker design. Mm-hmm. And I know especially these days, on everyone's mind is the price of gas. And I think this strikes me as something that'd be a little bit more fuel efficient.
It is actually. It does reach up to 40 miles per gallon.
Really?
Yep. It's part of 4 vehicles that Ford has right now that reach up to or more than 40 miles per gallon.
Wow.
Which includes the Ford Focus, the Ford Fiesta, the Fusion Hybrid, and the MKX Hybrid.
Wow. So, I mean, I think that's just like music to anyone's ears, especially when you're more inclined to take a road trip. 40 miles a gallon, you can traverse the country and pretty much save a good deal of cash on that.
Absolutely. It seems like every day we wake up and gas prices are a little higher. So
yeah, especially up here where we're used to high gas prices, but kind of all over the nation they're being dealt with, and up here I think it's no different.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely.
So now tell me a little bit about what else can be seen at the Denver Auto Show, because I know trade shows, that brings a lot of people down from Summit County who maybe want to check out some of the latest and greatest things, especially from Ford.
Sure. The Denver Auto Show for Ford, we're going to have ride and drives actually. So you can stop by. It's going Wednesday through Sunday and this week, and you can stop by and you can test drive some of the vehicles that are available. And then inside on the show floor, you can see, of course, the Ford Focus. You can also see the Fiesta will be there, the Mustang Boss, which is a popular vehicle, of course. Everyone wants to see that. And then also the vehicle that was named North American Truck of the Year this year, which is the Ford Explorer.
Oh, well, I've owned many Ford Explorers, which have been great, and they're awesome cars in the snow, and I know that every year it's just making it a little bit easier, especially when you're a mountain person and you're looking for an SUV, something that's going to handle days like today.
Mm-hmm,
and I think Ford's one of the people that keep putting out products that really appeal to mountain drivers especially.
They do, absolutely. They're great cars in the snow. Coming up the mountains yesterday driving the Focus does have the torque vectoring control, which is great for mountain drivers. It really helps you take those curves. It gives the driver a lot more comfort and control taking the curves, and kind of eases the driving experience a little bit.
Nice. So then just a quick reminder, where is the auto? Is that the convention center?
Yep, it's at the Colorado Convention Center, which is downtown Denver, and you can get more information at denverautoshow.com.
Nice. So you're going to have a busy week. I'm sure this is just the start of the chaos that's going to be the next couple of days for you as you're going back and forth down to Denver.
Yeah, absolutely. But it will be fun. It always is.
Yep, always is. And if you want to go check it out, the Colorado Convention Center is going to be a really cool show, especially for all you car buffs out there. I know there's some gearheads up here in Summit County, and it'll be a nice way if you're looking to maybe escape the snow. Denver, a little bit nicer. this time of year, especially this week. I know they're having flowers blooming and we're still watching the snow pile up. So if you're looking for a little escape, you can head down there and check out all of the great new Ford cars that they're going to be showcasing. So, well, thank you so much for making it over here. And it sounds like you're going to have a busy week, but it's also really exciting for Ford, I think.
Absolutely, and thank you.
All right, nice to meet you, Heidi. And then we've got more Summit Sunrise to come. Erin from Red Buffalo Coffee is going to be joining us in a couple of minutes. And then that Watch and Win is just around the corner, a free tune to Alpine Sports if you know a little bit about the shape of skis. So that's my last hint. I cannot be giving away more information because I'm just going to make it too easy. So stay tuned because we've got Watch and Win right around the corner.